right, everybody, welcome back. Dr. Blumenthal with you, the Bethesda office, Natural Transplants, and awesome. We are excited to have Rooz today. Rooz is a local. Welcome, man. Yeah. Thanks for doing this. Appreciate you sharing your story with everybody. This is awesome.
Yeah.
If you wouldn't mind telling everybody why you're here, what sort of brings you to us, and what the last 10 years or so has been like.
Yeah. So I started kind of going thin and balding about 5 years ago, and so slowly, watching my hairline kind of go away.
Yeah.
And really, it's been in the back of my mind to do this procedure.
Yeah.
And within the past few months, I started talking to different doctors and kind of looking around, and I found you in this clinic, and after talking to you, I felt fairly comfortable.
Cool, doing. And this runs in the family as well too. Your dad and grandfather, you said as well.
Yeah, there's a little bit of balding.
Yeah. And you have kind of a unique pattern of hair loss, and I just kind of want to show everybody. I think this would be kind of a cool video. From the front, it actually looks really full. You got good kind of wavy hair. As you said, it's sort of thinning on the sides here, but still really, really good thickness in the front of that hairline. I'm going to have you put your head down, and that's where kind of the hair loss is, so sort of the crown and extending up front. Obviously, there may be further loss in the future, but this is your priority. As we discussed earlier, the crown is his priority. So we're going to actually start from the back and go frontward today. We're going to go for the plus and get as much as we can. If we do have extra, we'll sort of advance up into this frontal third area, and then maybe some in the corners. But as you said, you actually you don't mind kind of the front, and it looks natural on you. It looks good.
Yeah.
So we're going to really attack from the back to the front today, a little unique, but I think it'll be good to kind of show everybody. It's awesome, man.
Yeah.
You all right? You excited?
I am.
Nervous last night, not so much as today, but we'll draw everything out, do a little bit of shaving, and then we'll check back in with you in a few minutes. Cool?
Of course.
All right, man.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Thanks.
All right, Dr. Blumenthal back with Rooz, and as you can tell, we have drawn out the hairline here and done a little bit of shaving, and so I'm just going to kind of pull back. We left the hair in the front because, again, this is a nice, good density. We're not really going to involve this hair here, but if we have extras as kind of our last priority, we're going to fill it in the corners and kind of blend it in the top, but or blend it in the front. So we're going to keep this hair. He's going to use that to camouflage if he needs to, and then I'm going to have you duck your head, Rooz. There we go. And so again, we're going to start priority 1 zone is going to be the crown, and we're just going to extend priority 2, priority 3 till we run out of hair. I think it looks great, man. I'm just spin you around. We shave the back. So we're going to go for the plus today. Go big, get as much hair as we can, knock it out as much as we can. Took a couple Valium, and how you feel, man?
I'm good.
Doing all right? Yeah. Excellent. We're going to hit next door. We'll catch up with you a little bit later, maybe in the middle of the procedures, just to check in on you. I'm excited.
All right.
Ready to rock and roll?
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, we'll check in a little bit. All right, we are back. Rooz, you are heading towards the end here. We got about maybe 15 minutes left to go. We're just placing the grafts. We already did the strip and sewed you up in the back, and then I placed all the little holes, and the techs are now placing the grafts in the holes that I made earlier. And how you feeling, man?
I feel good.
You doing all right?
Yeah.
Good. You were out of it for a little while. The Valium made you nice and sleepy. Took a little nap earlier.
Yeah.
Had some lunch, watching a movie. You having any pain at all?
Not at all.
Doing all right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Everything has been pretty painless.
Okay. Fantastic. I'm just going to zoom around and a little action shot. Have the texture kind of filling up. We filled up a lot. The entire area. I was really, really pleased with it. We were able to get enough also for the front hairline as well too, and I'll show you that at the end. But we were about 15 minutes from being done. All right, man. Go back to sleep, and we'll check on you at the end, okay?
All right.
All right, man. All right, we are back. Dr. Blumenthal back with the Rooz, and we are done. Congrats, man.
Thank you.
Welcome to the family. You did it.
Yeah.
Good. Tell us how today went, and be honest with everybody.
Yeah, I mean, everything was just as advertised, Everything was so smooth. There was, little to no pain. The only part was just the injections.
Right, which you handled. You handled that really well. That was great.
Yeah, and even that was not very painful.
Good.
So,
awesome,
I mean, I'm really happy.
That's great. Today went very smooth. I'm really happy with it, too. And we got, like we sort of showed earlier, we got as much as we were hoping. We kind of hit a grand slam on it. I'm really happy. I'm going to zoom in. You can just keep looking straight, and the hair is kind of covers a little bit in the front. We didn't touch the front tuft there, but you can kind of see the grass on each corner that we placed. And then I'm going to spin around here, and you can see how much we covered. We got the entire crown all the way up to the front, exactly what we were hoping for. and you got really good density. And then we got the strip in the back. It could blend in now even.
Yeah.
It's so small. And then once you get the stitches out and stuff, life will get better and it'll look really nice. So I'm really happy with that. We really crushed it and filled it in really well.
Yeah.
Man, thank you for doing this. Appreciate you sharing your story with everybody. Any words of advice, encouragement for those guys, on the fence, kind of looking into it?
Yeah, I mean, I would say, go for it if you want to do it, and I highly recommend,
Awesome.
you and
Appreciate
this
it.
clinic. Yeah, so.
Awesome, man. Well, like I said, welcome to the family. Hopefully we'll follow you along over the next year or so and see the new you in about a year.
Okay.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Take care, man. Thanks a lot.
Bye.
All right.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.